quick look at this crazy 4x4 Force Gurkha, which is actually a firefighting and rescue vehicle. This is how you operate the siren. Once you activate it, you get a snorkel here for additional water wading depth in case of any emergency situations. It's quite hard. This is a stretcher and I hope nobody gets to use this ever. Thankfully, it's folded and kept back like this. You have stock all-terrain tires here with a metal bumper. There's also an electric winch which is going to be very helpful. This is powered by a 2.6 liter diesel engine that makes 138 bhp and 320 Newton meters of torque. You have lots of firefighting equipment stored here. There's a first aid kit. This is a small chainsaw to cut smaller branches of trees in case of any emergency. And these are normal saw blades. And this is the spreader and cutter in case of a car crash or collision. It is used to cut open the car so that it can pull occupants outside. And this is the toolbox for this Gurkha. So this is the chainsaw which is used to cut bigger branches of trees. You have a 300 liter water tank here, which is generally mixed with a 30 liter foam tank. Water plus foam together help in dousing the fire. So this is the foam controller which is used to mix foam and water in desired quantity. And in case you want to pump in water from an open water body like lake or river, you can use the water pipe and connect it in the water inlet here. So the length of the hose pipe is 30 meters. We can easily connect here like this, and once you connect it, you can easily spray water and foam to douse fire. In case you have to douse fire in pitch darkness, that's exactly where the suitcase lights come into picture. And you have some really cool stuff here as well. So there's an axe here. This is a sledgehammer which is used to break open something, and you have the hydraulic lift here in case you want to lift a very heavy metal object or a tree or whatever. You can use this hydraulic lift. This of course is a fire extinguisher. This is a very cool torch, and this stick is actually used to rescue birds from trees in case they are stuck. So this is a hook which is used to recover bodies in case they drown in water, unfortunately. So the Gurkha is also equipped with roof lights which can raise and go down. This is to raise the light and this is to take them down, and they rotate in 360-degree manner, and the doors open like a Rolls Royce. This Gurkha is brand new and it has just clocked over 1,500 kilometers. Just like the regular Gurkha, this is made to a 5-speed gearbox, both front and rear diff locks. This is the 4x4 high ratio, neutral 4x4 low ratio, and this is the 2-wheel drive high ratio. And there is just decent space for 2 firemen at the back. And this Gurkha is now added to this crazy fleet of Volvo FMX fire tenders at this Mira Bhayandar fire station in Mumbai.